Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all in the online computer class. Today, we are going to continue the same lesson, lesson number 1, Introduction to Multimedia. Last time, we studied that multimedia is a combination of different elements like text, audio, graphics, video, and animation. Today, we will study each of these elements of multimedia in details. First element of multimedia is text. Text is used to communicate information to the user. Including text is the basic step towards development of any presentation. Text can be a word or a single line or a paragraph. This text can have different type, size, color, and style. A typeface is a family of characters which have similar look. For example, this typeface, Times, Arial, Courier, and some others have similar look. Typefaces have different style and size. Italics, bold, underline are called as style. Size is the distance between the top of the letter to the bottom of the letter. Font size is expressed in points. For example, we have a font of Times New Roman 14 point. Then Times New Roman is the style and 14 point is the size. Typeface is categorized into two parts, serif font and sans serif font. Serif font is a little decoration at the end of the character as can be seen in this image. For example, Times, Century, Bookman are some examples of serif fonts. Serif fonts are easy to read, so they are usually used when there is a lot of text to be read. Now in sans serif font, sans in French means without. So sans serif fonts are without the decoration as shown in this image. For example, Arial, Verdana and Helvetica are some examples of sans serif font. They are usually used for headlines and titles. But in the computer screen having low resolution, it is reverse case. Serif fonts are difficult to read than the sans serif fonts. Next element of multimedia is audio. The term sound is used in the analog form and the digitized form of the sound is called as audio. Learning process is more enjoyable when it is played with sound. For example, educational CD. They are generally played with sound. Imagine if sound is not there. It will make learning process boring. We can even record our own voice and then play it according to our presentation. Multimedia elements like sounds or videos are stored in media files. The commonly used audio formats or audio file extensions are as given below in this table. .mid or .midi. File type is MIDI file. MIDI full form is Musical Instrument Digital Interface. This MIDI files contain music data. Second one is .rm or .ram. Type of file is real audio file. RAM's full form is Real Audio Metadata. .ram is a combination of audio and video, both. Third one is .wav. It is a wave file. Waveform audio file. Next one .wma. Type of file is Windows Media Audio file. Audio file compressed with Windows Media Compression. Next one is .mp3 or .mpga. These files are MP3 audio files. They are compressed audio format. .wav, that is a wave file, is the most popular uncompressed sound format on the internet, and it is supported by all popular browsers like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, and so on. .mp3 is the new compressed format for recorded music. So if you want to use recorded music in your presentation, .mp3 is the best choice. Next time we will study remaining elements of multimedia like graphics or images, animation and video. Thank you. Have a good day.